Hello and welcome to the Honeycomb Stitch. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, you will chain in multiples of 3 and then add 1 chain for a turning chain. I am chaining 15 and then adding 1. For row 1, single crochet into the second chain from hook and then single crochet into every chain down the row. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. Place a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Place a double crochet 5 together in the next stitch. To do this, you yarn over and insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through 2. Do this until there are 6 loops on your hook. Once you have 6 loops, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Now, place a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Repeat from the double crochet 5 together all the way down the row. So double crochet 5 together, then 2 single crochets, double crochet 5 together, 2 single crochets. Do this until the end of the row. Your row will end on a double crochet 5 together in the last stitch. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. Place a single crochet into the top of the first cluster. Then place a single crochet down the entire row. I had 15 chains, so I will have 15 single crochets. For row 4, chain 1 and turn. Place a double crochet 5 together into the next stitch. Then 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches, so a single crochet in each stitch. Double crochet 5 together. Then 2 single crochets. Repeat this down the row until the last 2 stitches. In the last 2 stitches, you will place a single crochet in each stitch. For row 5, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet into the first 2 stitches. Then place a single crochet into the top of the first cluster. Single crochet into every stitch down the row. To make this pattern, you repeat rows 2 through 5. Once you have reached your desired length, you fasten off and weave in your tails.